DSG, this is such a good name for us. We found out that DSG is one of the leading company in installation of the solar panels. They are really good on big scales. हमने जब choose किया तो we have set the timelines और DSG ने within timelines को उन चीजों को complete किया. Company has to get it done as soon as possible because of the energy cost which is very high these days. अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह सुप्रेशा ने जितना भी 1.5 मेगावाट लगाया है, इससे हमारी cost, energy and human power has a very positive effect. DSG has a very good past experience with many other companies which we have checked before. I think after getting their services, now we show that they are very good partners because they are flexible in price, they are flexible with time, they are flexible in installation, and during installation if you have any queries they are ready to solve on time.